compute how to compute the LCM. So there are different ways to find the LCM of given numbers. First, we'll go with the method one here. Method one here. So let us consider one example here. First example, LCM of comma 12. Say directly my answer as 12. So why I'm saying as 12 means, suppose among 6 comma 12, if among 6 comma 12 the greatest number here is 12. When the greatest number is 12, and first we need to check whether the first number is a multiple of the second number or not. If the first number is a multiple of the second number, then our LCM directly the highest number. Let us take one more example here. LCM of 15 comma 30 comma 60 here. Here 15 is a multiple of 60 and 30 is also multiple of. So the highest number here is 60. My LCM will be directly 60 here. Let us also consider one more example here is LCM of 1 comma 2 comma 4, 8 comma 16 comma 32. We need to find the LCM for this one. Here 1 is a multiple of 32 and 2 is a multiple of 32, 4 is also a multiple of 32, 8 is also a multiple of 32 and 16 is also multiple. So here the highest number is 32. So the LCM is directly is 32. Let us simplify this one more equation here. So LCM of 4 comma 8 comma 16 comma that. So in this also the LCM will be directly. So let us consider one more LCM of 8 comma 16 comma 32. In this also we'll get the LCM as 30. LCM of comma 30 also will get the same LCM as 30. So from this we can conclude one point that from this example we can conclude one point. So one point is if more numbers are present, if more numbers are present, if numbers are present, it doesn't mean that we'll get highest number, get highest number or some bigger number as a LCM. So from this we can take some observations here or some key points here. So what are the key points here means? We'll take some key points here. First key point we'll take from these examples here is LCM of LCM of A of A1 comma A of A, that will be equals to A of A3. Here K is an some constant and or some multiple of some value, multiples of some values. Next, second point, LCM of P of x1 comma y, P of x1 comma y, that will be equals to P of z. Here y is a multiple of here y is a multiple of p. Here y is a multiple of p. I hope you are clear with this method one. So what we discussed in method one is suppose the LCM of 6 comma 12. Our LCM will be directly the highest number if the first number is a multiple. If the first number is a multiple of the second number. So our LCM will be directly the highest number. I hope you are clear with this point.